Val, and this is 4th week of Classic Movement Improv Solo Jazz. We took 3 breaks and then we did like exercise with them. So first break was 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we had laughter. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we did 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you had a choice of those 3 breaks. And then we just walked for 3 8s. And on the 4th 8, you did one of those breaks. Then we did the same thing, but with people. We had groups of people dancing and then doing those breaks on the 4th 8. It was a lot of counting, but trying to feel the music and get used to the music too. And then we did other things where we also were in the groups and we tried to jam. So when one person danced, others supported them. And then we all did the break with them to help them. And then we just straightforward jammed with one person dancing and others supporting them, and the next person dancing, and it was great, and you should practice it and do it socially at RJ's